Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add writing lines in Canva. So it's simple, all you have to do is follow along. So let's go to this element section, and here all you have to type in is line, enter. And so as you can see, there are so many lines. There are two ways to actually make a writing line. One way is that I'm going to show you. So this is the line, right? Simply like drag it. And so this might not be the proper format, like this page size, but you know the drill. I'm just showing you. You can also adjust the thickness, the line colors from here. Okay. So what you have to do is simply duplicate and put it down, and duplicate again and put it down. Duplicate again, put it down, duplicate again, like this. And duplicate it, and let's duplicate this again, like up. Over here, duplicate this again. So likewise. So this is how I create line. In now the next space, you don't have to work much. You can simply go to next space and duplicate the whole page, like here. There you can see the writing lines are there. This is one where you can do manually. It looks like a huge work, but once you've done with the one page, you can simply duplicate the whole entire thing, and likewise. Another way is that you can simply go to the elements and type in line, and there is the graphics. So let's go to graphics. And here you can see the page like this. You can simply adjust this, but the thing with this one is that you cannot actually adjust the spacing between the lines. So it might work for some case, but it might not work in many cases. So this is another option. I'm just here to show you that this is how you add writing lines in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.